Today we'll talk about how can you enable social on your pick social on your pickup. We will to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, you click here in this sign down here, and you just click on it. When you click here on me, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, come here to pick social here. So it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click in this sign. When you just click here in this sign, sorry, I'm go back, sorry. When you just click here on pick social here, so then it's going to take you here to this list here to connect with your social on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.